జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. Then I started thinking how to talk to Sita Devi. And then slowly I started taking the greatness. I started saying loudly about the greatness of Ikshvaku Vamsam. After hearing all that, Sitamma moved to tears. And slowly Sitamma asked me, Kastvam kena, ho Vanara Shrestha, who are you? Kadhancha ihya praptaha, how did you come here? Kacha ramena te preetihi, how did you get this much of respect on Ramachandra Swami? Please tell me all the details. Like that, when Sitamma asked, I told her that, oh Sita Devi, the one who is helping your husband is Sugriva. I am Sugriva's servant. My name is Hanuma. I am sent by Ramachandra Swami for you. Oh Sita Devi, Rama gave this ring for you to identify and to believe in me. Oh Sitamma, now tell me, what should I do? Whatever you asks me to do, I will definitely do that. I can take you from here to Rama Lakshmana. Tell me, do you like that or not? Like that, I asked Sita Devi. Then Sitamma said only one word, Aha Ravanam Utsadya Raghavo Mam Nayatviti. Rama has to come here. Rama has to kill Ravana. Then Rama has to take me out from here. That is what Sita Devi said very clearly. Like that, Hanuma telling all the details to Vanaras. Hanuma telling to Vanaras about his Lanka trip, saying that, oh my dear Vanaras, when I checked with Sita Devi if she would like to come along with me, Sita Devi said, Rama has to come here, Rama has to kill Ravana, Rama has to take me away from here. Like that Sita Devi said. And then, Pranamya Sirasa Devim Aham Aryam Aninditam. I did namaskaram to Sitamma and I asked, Abhijnanamaya Chisham, oh Sita Devi, can you please give me some identification so that by seeing that Rama would feel happy? Then Sitamma, Hanuma, here is Chudamani. You take this and show it to Rama. He would definitely feel so happy. He will believe you and then he will respect you a lot for doing this. Like that, Sitamma said and gave that money to me. Also, Sita Devi said few words for me to convey to Rama. And then when I was about to leave, then again Sitamma said, O Hanuma, Mama Vruttantam Vaktumarhasi Raghave. You please tell Rama about all the suffering that I am going through. And also, you have to make sure Rama, Lakshmana, Sugriva starts immediately to protect me. Hanuma, I have only 2 more months. Once 2 months' time is over, I am going to be died. Like that, when Sitamma said, I started getting so much anger on Ravana. After seeing Sita Devi crying a lot, I felt that this is all because Ravana. That is why I wanted to retaliate on Ravana. I wanted to do something, destruction over there. And then I immediately increased my body. I started destroying Asokavanam, Yuddhakankshi Vanam Tacha, Vinasayitum Arabhe. I destroyed Asokavanam while inviting fight with Rakshasas. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman-Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.